What if I told you there's an SUV that's not just reliable, it's almost legendary? The 2025 Toyota RAV4, built to outlast the competition and maybe even your patience for car shopping. Stick around, because this one's got some surprises. Today we're talking bold design, smarter trims, electrified performance, and even a hidden feature that went viral on TikTok. By the end, you'll know if the RAV4 is the SUV you've been waiting for. Exterior and design. Let's start with looks. The 2025 RAV4 doesn't scream for attention, but it doesn't blend in either. That sharp grille, the confident stance, it's bold without being brash. Toyota trimmed the lineup this year, cutting the Adventure and TRD models. Why? To keep things simple. 4 trims, all business. Engines and performance. Now, under the hood, the standard engine, a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder with 203 horsepower. Solid, dependable, no drama. Want efficiency? The hybrid delivers 219 horsepower and around 40 miles per gallon. Perfect for the daily grind. But if you want thrills, check out the plug-in hybrid. 302 horsepower. 0 to 60 in under 6 seconds. Quiet, quick, kind of shocking, in a good way. Interior and tech. Inside, it's all about smart practicality. Fold the seats and you've got nearly 70 cubic feet of space. That's a lot of Costco runs. And yes, the viral coin slot is real. People online can't stop talking about it. For tech, you get wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Upper trims bring a bigger 10.5-inch screen or even a full digital gauge cluster. It's modern without being overwhelming. Safety and driver assist. Safety is standard across the board. Toyota Safety Sense 2.5 gives you emergency braking, lane assist, adaptive cruise, all the essentials. Higher trims add blind spot monitoring and a full 360 camera system. And here's the future part, Toyota's rolling out new software for over-the-air updates. That means your SUV can actually get smarter over time. Value and ownership. Here's the kicker. The RAV4 holds its value better than most SUVs. After 3 years, you keep around 60%. Add Toyota's 2 years of free maintenance, and it's clear this isn't just a car. It's an investment. So, is the 2025 Toyota RAV4 perfect? Maybe not, but dependable, efficient, future-ready? Absolutely. If you're shopping for an SUV that just works day after day, the RAV4 deserves a test drive. Hit that like button, subscribe for more reviews, and tell me in the comments which RAV4 trim fits you best.